The average adult tries 126 diets in their lifetime. Is that something that you can relate to, being on that diet roller coaster, but you are ready to get off? Well, you are in the right place. Welcome to my channel. I am Rachael Clark. I am a certified life coach and EFT practitioner, and I help faith-based women release their negative thoughts, their limiting beliefs, and their overwhelming emotions so they can get off the diet roller coaster, because so often we are looking for the next diet plan. We're looking for the next product, when in reality, it's the inner work that we need to do. I know for me, it has made a huge impact in my life, which is why I am so passionate about helping others. So if you are ready to get off that diet roller coaster, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And I also have a free resource linked below that will help you get started on your journey. So welcome, and I look forward to connecting with you.